Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're going to be looking at AvaHR. AvaHR, the robot HR system that won't judge your 3 a.m. resume uploads. Let's face it, HR work is like holding cards while blindfolded. Enter AvaHR, the AI that promises to handle your hiring headaches so you can finally stop crying in the supply closet. But does it actually work, or just a chatbot with a fancy LinkedIn profile? Let's investigate with snacks because HR is stressful. The first category we're going to look at is resume screening. Now, it scans resume faster than you can say nepotism higher. When it comes to the con, sometimes it rejects perfect candidates for missing keywords like oxygen breather. Let's look at category of interview scheduling. In this category, it coordinates calendars like a matchmaking wizard, which is good. But it may book interviews for 3 a.m. to catch them off guard for you. Next, when it comes to bias reduction, the pro is that it pretends not to notice questionable college mascots on resumes. But the con is that it still can't explain why all your hires are named Josh. Now, when it comes to onboarding, the pro is that it automates paperwork so you can focus on awkward icebreakers. But the con, new hires get 47 identical welcome to the team emails. Now, when it comes to analytics, which is the last category we're going to be looking at today, it helps you show your hiring stats in pretty colors, distraction approved. The con is that it also reveals you haven't hired anyone over 5.5 since 2019. So what's the final verdict? You might be thinking, should I replace HR with AvaHR, that is AvaHR? Well, if you're an overworked HR team, your answer should be, praise the robot overloads. But for companies that enjoy lawsuits, maybe keep some humans around. What am I saying? AvaHR is like giving your HR department espresso and a spreadsheet addiction. Widely efficient, but occasionally terrifying. It is great for screening, scary when you start scheduling, exit interviews unprompted. So PS, if AvaHR becomes self-aware, we suggest bribing it with coffee and compliance reports. Are you still unsure? Remember, AI won't take your HR job unless you teach it how to conduct layoffs. Hope you found this video helpful.